Thank you for stopping and watching my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a very quick unboxing. I've just purchased this brush from the store and I just wanted to show you the one. It's an everyday, it's from Slick Hair, everyday styling brush. It's for actually wet and dry. And what I really like about this brush, which I've looked up, is that it actually, it's like, it stands, like you don't have to always lay it down, you can stand, and the bristles are made from silicone and they're actually quite gentle on your hair as well. This is this second brush that I've got from them, but the first one that actually stands. So I'm really excited about trying it out, and yeah, so yeah, I hope you try it. It was only it costed me, it was on special, so I got it for $16.95. Yeah, so if you try it, please leave a comment, and yeah, thanks for watching my videos.